Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Right on. Definition we have seen, right? Vector.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, see. Yeah. See here, we have got a vector p equal to new vector. Okay, na? Here I am fixing the size of vector to 10. Got
Okay.
it, right?
Yes,
See,
sir.
automatically, what happens to vector if the elements whatever you are storing is more than the you have mentioned this.
Sir,
Yes
can
or
you
no?
repeat once again, sir? Your voice just is breaking.
See, if you are storing an element more than the size, what happens to vector?
It doubles the size if an element
Correct.
stores.
It doubles the size. Right now, first itself, I am initializing the size of the vector to 10. Okay.
Okay.
Then I am storing some values. You can check it out. And I am storing one integer value also over here. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Then I will print the vector over here. You can see. I'll print the vector. So what will be printed? All the elements available in that vector will be printed. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Check it out. As I said, this is thread safe also, right?
Yes, sir.
That I don't think you have forgotten. Okay. See, it has printed all the values. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? And this how it has generated, that we will see next. Here I have written that I'll comment this for the time being. Later I'll explain. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now see here. Here, what is the size of the vector I'm printing? What is the capacity of vector I'm printing? Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
See? Size of the vector is 12. Capacity is 20. I said, right? It will double the size. So it has double the capacity to 20. So right now we can store the values up to 20. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, here we have stored the values, we have printed all those things we have did. Next, we have created an array list. Based on the elements available in array list, if you want to remove the values, how to remove it is what we are going to see right now. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What happened, Ma Supriya? Not responding.
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Rashmi.
Yes, sir.
Next. See here. Now we have created one array list which is holding B and G. With the element B and G, if it is available in vector, I have to remove it. That means if B is there, I have to remove. G is there, I have to remove. Is that clear?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, VE dot get of 2. That means the element available in second position, whichever the element available in second position, that has to be retrieved and it has to be printed over here. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, after getting the value, next what is there in VEA? I'm printing the elements over here. Clear?
Yes,
Yes or no?
sir.
Next, what is the capacity of your vector? I'm printing here. Next, I'm clearing my vector. After that, if I print, what will be there? You can see here. As well as if I want to remove particular element, I can remove from the vector over here. Clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, it is cleared before only. After that, if you want to remove also, nothing is there to remove. You can see. See, here initially, remove all in the sense we have got true. V dot get off 2 in the sense in the second position, what is there? 0, 1, 2. D has been printed here. Correct, na?
Sir.
Then V, whatever is there in the vector, I am printing here. You can see that elements. Then VE capacity, it is 20 only. After clearing, what is there in vector? It is empty vector. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this way, we can perform operations on vector. Next.
Sir, if you remove all the elements, will the capacity shrink?
No, ma. Once you got the capacity, in the sense you will be with that capacity only.
Okay, sir.
Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you have the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. See, here with what do you say? With the array list, whatever the elements are there, if you want to print all the elements at a time, you will be printing the object of array list. Correct, Nampa?
Yes, sir.
If you want to what you say, print all the elements of a vector, what we have to do, we have to print the object of that particular vector. Okay, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now, instead of me printing all the elements at a time, let me show you. I will comment this portion. Say, if I print the vector object, it will print all the values at a time. Correct, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, if I want to print one after the other, I can take the help of enumeration. I'll show you. Write down about enumeration. Enumeration is an interface available under util package for iterating, otherwise retrieving the elements available under legacy classes. Clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Legacy
sir.
classes in the sense, vector is one legacy class. Next, we will see one more class, that is hash table. Okay, no? For these classes only, this enumeration interface will be used. Got the
Okay.
point?
Yes, sir.
Now, enumeration E equal to VE dot elements. That means within the vector, whatever the elements are there, All the elements I'm retrieving, storing into enumeration object. Okay, na?
Oh, okay.
Next. E dot hash more elements. Whether we have elements in a vector or not.
We have, sir.
Yes. E dot hash more elements. Whether we have or not, we are checking. Yes, it returns true. How many times it returns true? How many elements are there? That many times it will be returning true. Whenever it returns true, we will print the element. Next time, we will print the element. Third time, like this. Every time we will be keep on printing the element. You can see, one by one, we will be printing. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Like this, if you need to traverse all the elements and if you need to retrieve the values from this vector, you can take the help of enumeration. Okay. Can I go for next one?
Yes, sir.
Next. Right on. Ready? Iterator. Iterator. Okay, now?
So what is the spelling? ITERATOR?
One sec, ma. I'll show you. Iterator. Okay, now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Iterator is a interface which is meant for iterating the values correct? Which is meant for iterating the values available in a list or a set. Okay, na? Any doubts so far? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. From a list or a set, if you need to iterate the values, then you can take the help of this iterator. Okay. Next point. Make a note. Iterator will traverse the control.
What is it, sir? Iterator?
Will traverse the control. Traverse. Okay, no? Traverse the control only in forward only manner. Okay, no? Yes or no?
Only in forward manner?
Yeah, only in forward manner. That's it. Okay, no?
Sir, iterator traverse or transfers the control?
Traverse, ma. Traverse means
Traverse.
visits.
Okay. Okay.
Next point. Iterator will help us in removing the elements during its iteration. Okay, no? If you want to remove the elements during its iteration, you can take the help of this iterator. Clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
During
Now,
its iterated.
during its iteration,
Oh, okay.
see here, either you take array list, linked list, otherwise upcoming set, whatever it is. See, we have got a linked list. We have got A, B, C, D, D. Next, I have created one string object. Iterator, it equal to ll dot iterator. For this linked list, I am creating an iterator. Okay, na? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Next, it dot hash next. That means whatever the elements are available in this linked list, all those elements I have stored into it. Then I'm checking it dot hash next. Whether I have elements or not, I'm checking. Got my point, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This it will be holding all the elements available in linked list. With the help of iterator, we have fetched all the elements. We have stored into it. Then we are checking it dot hash next. Whether I have next elements or not, we are checking here. If I have elements, I'm getting first element, converting into string, storing into yes. Okay, na? Converting into string, storing into yes. If that is matching to B, I'm removing that element and I'm moving to next element. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If not, I will be printing that element like that. Each and every element I'll check. If it is B, I'll remove. If not, I will be printing that element over here. You can see from this, everything will be printed except B because B is getting removed here. Check it out. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same way, this iterator can be applied for your sets also. Next, what is that set? How to use set, and next upcoming programs we will see. Okay, no? Fine, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem with the iterator? Is there any problem with iterator? Yes or no?
And add any element.
No. See, the problem with iterator is it can transfer the control only in forward manner. If you ask it to transfer in backward manner, this cannot transfer. Clear, right?
So,
If you want the elements to be transferred in backward manner, this cannot do that. That is what the problem with this particular, what you say, list, this particular iterator. Okay, no? Can you for next one?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how we can, what you say, transfer the control in forward as well as in backward manner is what we are going to see using next iterator, that is list iterator. Make a note. Heading list iterator. Okay, na? List iterator. It is a interface it is an interface which is meant for iterating the values from a list from a list or a set in forward as well as in backward order also. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How this list iterator will be there? Let me show you now. Now see here, we have got a linked list. I'm printing all the elements at once. Got my point, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I'm printing all the elements at once. Then ll dot list iterator I'm applying. Previously it was iterator it equal to ll dot iterator I was applying. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Right now list iterator it equal to ll dot list iterator I'm applying. So it dot hash next. If I have elements, I'll be moving in forward manner. A, B, C, D, D will be printed. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So from here till here, the control came. Okay. Now it dot has previous. Now we don't have any elements further. We have to go back. Correct now?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So it dot has previous. We are checking whether we have elements in previous. If I have elements previous, I'll be printing. So D, D, C, B, A. In reverse order, you will get the result. See? First we got A, B, C, D, D. So we one by one we have got from here to here, then from here to here. It will be printed. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is how your what do you say list iterator will help us in traversing the elements in forward as well as in backward order also. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed with next one? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Freedom about stack. What is meant by stack?
First in, first out. Last in, first out.
Last in.
First out.
Okay. Freedom. Stack is a linear data structure. Stack is a linear data structure which is meant for holding the data in linear manner. Okay? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, linear manner. Next, stack follows last in first out order.
What is it, sir? Stack follows?
Last in first out order. Okay, na? Last in first out order. for storing and retrieving the values from it. Okay, for storing and retrieving the values from it. Any doubts so far?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. See, stack, it has got one predefined nature. That nature is applicable for stack data structure in whichever the technology you take up, same nature only applies. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me show you how the stack will be there. See, stack st equal to new stack. I'm pushing A, then B, then C, then 10, then 11. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm printing the elements available in the stack over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, st dot pop. Pop means which element will be removed. Pop is meant for removing the elements. Push is meant
L-
for adding the elements. Which element will be removed?
11.
What about others? Nobody is speaking.
Yes, sir. Last one.
Evan? Okay. Last inserted will be removed first. So 11 will be removed. Peak. Which is the element on the peak right now?
10.
Yes. The next element which is ready for removal will be there on the peak. So 10 will be printed. Then size. What is the size of the elements?
4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3.
No, you should not count size from 0. You should count it from 1 only.
Sorry. 4.
Okay, search B. B position will be printed over here. See? Clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I have the next one?
Yes, sir.
And of course, for stack also you can apply generics. I have taught you, right? Generics?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The generics you can apply for stack also, not an issue. Whatever
Okay.
the collection framework classes are there, for all the classes you can apply this generics. Remember this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Can I have the next one?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Next, write down about set. Set is an interface. Set is an interface which is meant for holding the data in linear manner. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Holding the data in linear manner. Set will not allow duplicate values to be stored into the object. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, write down first one, hash set. HASH. Hash set. Hash set is a class which derives the features of set interface and random class for storing the data in linear manner. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Sir.
Now, has set. Next point. Has set will return the elements in random order after eliminating duplicates. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, see here. We have got a hash set. I'm storing A, B, O, E, Z, K, P, A, as well as null also. And make a note, this one also. Hash set will allow null values also. Write on this. This is very important point. Okay, na? Hash set will allow null values too. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here we are storing some values into hash set and I'm printing that values over here. Of course, including null, everything will be printed over here. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, you can see I'm applying iterator over here. What is the use of iterator?
Iterates to next line.
Yeah, it will be iterating the values from this particular hash set. The iterator, it equal to hs dot iterator. We are retrieving all the elements available in hash set. It dot hash next, we will be printing the elements one by one. Got my point, right? Check it out. It prints all the elements at a time. Any doubts so far? Yes or no? Hello? Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here I have stored A twice, but if you just check it out, while printing, it might have printed A only once. But the order how we have stored in the same order, don't expect the result. It generates the output in random order because it derives the features of random class. I have mentioned that also. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Now, write down about tree set. Tree set. It is a class of util package.
Sir, year sets.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, year set. What is it? You told
Tree set, tree set.
tree set. Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, tree set. It is a class which derives the features of set interface as well as sortable set for sorting the elements in ascending order without duplicates. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Hmm. See, and one more point, you make a note. A tree set will not allow null values to be stored into the object.
A tree set will?
Not allow,
Okay.
will not allow null values to be stored into the object. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, see here, we have got a tree set. We are storing the values. Of course, Z, B, X, A, Z. And see, here it will not allow null values. As I said, I'm not storing null values. And different type of values also it will not allow. Tree set needs only same type of values, remember. Because it has to sort the elements, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So same type of values you have to pass it. I have passed that. It will be sorting and it will be printed over here. Check it out. Okay, na? Yes or no? Are you guys with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is what the speciality of your tree set. Simple. Okay. Can I go for next one?
Yes.
Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, write down. Next one. That is linked hash set. See, what is the problem with your tree set? Hmm? What is the problem with the tree set? Is there anyone to answer?
It will not print the duplicates.
Okay, next. That's it.
It can print only in ascending order without any duplicates. It cannot print in a randomly like, hash set does.
So use your what you say hash set for that.
Sir, Ivan is saying different data types can be stored.
Okay, use hash set. Got my point, right? Then what is the specialty? Fine, let me tell you. See, in link hash set or tree set, you can't get the data in the order how you have stored. Are you getting my point?
Sir, can you explain?
See, here I am storing Z, B, X, A, Z. Are you getting the output in the same order?
No.
In a hash set?
No, not
In
even
hash set, you will get the result in random order.
random.
Yes, sir.
So in both the places, you won't get the result in the order how we have stored. Remember this point.
Okay, sir.
Clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to get the data in the same order how we have inserted, then you have to take the help of your linked hash set. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Write down about linked hash set. Linked hash set will store and retrieve the data in the order.
Sir, can you tell linked?
Linked hash set, ma.
Okay, sir.
Linked hash set
Linked has set.
is meant for storing and retrieving the data okay na?
In the order.
In the order of insertion. Okay na?
Yes.
Next. Linked hash set will not allow duplicate values. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, you can see here we have got a linked hash set. I am storing the values. All this A, B, O, E, everything, including null values, different type of values, everything is possible to store. Clear? We have stored all the values and we are printing all the values. But in the same order, however you have stored in the same order, you will get the result. That is what the speciality. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any of the next one?
Yes, sir.
Next. Write down about next one. That is map. Map. Map is an interface which is meant for storing and retrieving the data in key and value format.
What is that, sir? Retrieving the data?
In key and value format. Key. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
How that will be there, we are going to see right now. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next. The classes under hash map, under map is first one, hash map. Right on? The classes under map is first one, hash map. Okay, na?
Yes,
Right
sir.
on? Hash map. Hash map is a hash map is a class which derives the features of map interface, as well as random class for storing and retrieving the data in for storing and retrieving the data in key and value format in random order. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now let me show you hash map. See here. We have got hash map. You can see here hash map hm equal to new hash map. Saying key should be of string, value also should be of string. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, so I'm specifying a hash map which should accept key as string, value as string, key also as string, value as string, and I'm passing hm.put. Put means this is meant for storing key 1 with the value a. Next, again key with 2, value with b. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, again we are putting key with 1, value z.
Yes, sir.
Next, key 3, value c. Key null, value p. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See here. One important thing is map will not allow duplicate keys to be stored into the object. Make a note of that also. Map will not allow duplicate keys to be stored into the object. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. See here I have printed all the elements. hm dot get of 1. What you will get?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sorry. Will it start from 0 or 1? I think it's A only.
Sure. Check it out. See, first I am storing 1A. Later I am updating 1 with Z.
Oh, sorry. Z. Yeah.
You'll get Z over here.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then hm dot key set. What are the keys available?
1,
1,
2,
2, 1, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 as well as null also.
Yes.
Next hm dot values. What you will get?
A, B, Z, C, P.
No.
B, Z,
A
C,
is
P.
overridden by Z.
B, Z, C,
Oh,
P.
B, C, P.
Okay. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like this, you will get a key and values. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, write down tree map. Tree map is meant for storing and retrieving the data in key and value format in ascending order in ascending order based on the keys. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
See. See here, this we will see later. We have got a tree map 1A, 3B, 2Z, 4C. See, tree map will not allow different types of keys as well as null keys also. I don't know if
Yes,
you
sir.
want. Tree map will not allow different types of keys as well as null keys also. Okay. See, here we are storing the values and I am retrieving the values in ascending order. Based on the keys, it will retrieve. Clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is linked hash map and how to iterate your map? Next, what is properties and other things? In tomorrow's session, we are going to start it up. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Hope so. Tomorrow, usual package will get over.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
are we going to have Thursday and Friday also class?
Why, ma? Is there any special?
Holiday, sir.
That we will see later, ma.
That's okay, no problem, sir. You can
Okay.
take.
Fine, ma. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.